Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting the hardware and drivers right. Plug the wheel into your PC, then install the Xbox Accessories app and Windows Update so drivers load. Once done, make sure the wheel firmware is updated through the app. If your wheel draws a lot of power or disconnects, use a powered USB hub. That avoids intermittent input loss. You'll also want to enable developer mode for your game controller if asked. This keeps Windows from blocking advanced features. Now configure input layers. Open Windows game controllers to verify axes and pedal responses, then launch Steam. You must enable Steam input and choose the wheel template or create a custom layout. This is how non-native games see the wheel correctly. Once mapped, calibrate wheel rotation, dead zones, and force feedback in Steam or the game's controller settings. Make sure to save a profile per game. If your wheel has a companion app, sync those settings with Steam so force feedback behaves as expected. Finish by testing in a racing title. Adjust steering rotation, pedal sensitivity, and force feedback until handling feels natural. If the wheel behaves oddly, unplug and reconnect via a different USB port, then check Device Manager for driver errors. Once done, make sure Windows isn't blocking the device and reinstall the Xbox Accessories app if inputs fail to persist. A key troubleshooting tip: swap the USB cable and try a powered hub. Most connection issues stem from insufficient power or a faulty cable, not the wheel itself.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.